Akka Baba, happy wedding anniversary, 50th wedding anniversary. May God bless you. And it's a wonderful achievement of 50 years togetherness. And God bless you and many more such wedding anniversaries. And wish you all the best. May God bless you with the best of health, wealth and happiness. And Mommy is going to talk to you all now. Wish you all.
నాగరూప హ్యాపీ వెడ్డింగ్ డే. దేవుడు 50 ఏళ్ళది మనముడు పుట్టి ఖుషి ఇచ్చిన్నాడు మీకు. దేవుడు ఇదే తర ఖుషి ఇచ్చి కాపాడినమ్మా. దేవుడు కాపాడిన ఆరోగ్యం సంతోషం నెమ్మది తృప్తి ఇచ్చి కాపాడినమ్మా.
Wow, it's a 50th anniversary. It's really amazing. Happy wedding anniversary, Vadingaru, Annagaru. Have a wonderful, blessed year and celebrations. We have the opportunity to see you on Zoom. That's great. But we want a party.
Happy anniversary, Baba, Akka. It's a wonderful 50th anniversary. And we are very, very blessed to have you all and our family. And many more wedding anniversaries, and God bless you. And because of this COVID situation, we are only virtual meeting and partying, but we are definitely not going to let you all go without a big party. And 50 years is a wonderful achievement, and wish you all the best. God bless you all.
Congratulations, Annai Garu and Vadin Garu. Wish you both a very, very happy golden anniversary. Have a wonderful day and a year ahead.
Yeah, Akka Baba, what an accomplishment. 50 years of marriage is truly something to be celebrated and honored. Congratulations on your milestone anniversary. Happy 50th anniversary. Wish you both a happy married life and many, many, many happy years to go.
Hi, Rupa Surendra. Happy 50th wedding anniversary. It is awesome to know you people. Always you are so sportive. We are so lucky to have you in our group.
Hi Rupa Surendra, happy Silver Jubilee anniversary. You are always young at heart. It's ever going to be Silver Jubilee only.
Happy wedding anniversary, Rupata and Uncle. May you have many more years to come. Stay blessed always. May God give you all good things in life.
Hello Rupa, wishing you and Surendra a very happy 50th wedding anniversary. I'm so happy. I still remember your sweet memories of your wedding. It was such a nice occasion. May God bless you and keep you both happy always like this.
Hi, Rupa and Surendranath. Wish you a happy golden anniversary.
It's a very, very big milestone you have achieved. It's a wonderful thing.
Yes, truly being together for 50 years is highly commendable. In this day and age, you've really set a milestone to all the younger generations to come, including us too. And our families have known each other for the last 5 to 6 decades. And my husband always speaks about your family. And we are truly, blessed to have friends like you with us. Stay safe, stay blessed, and wish you many more anniversaries to come.
Bye.
Thank you.
Golden anniversary, Surendranath and Rupa. God bless you, the young couple of our group.
Most cherished couple amongst us, dear Surendranath and Rupa Surendranath. May your cherished dreams, which has been sowed into you from the last 50 years of your married life, give you lot of happiness and lot of pleasure in the coming years to come, and hope this day of your life, the 50th golden anniversary, bless you dear by the great Almighty.
Rupa, hi Surendra, your young couple, happy golden wedding anniversary. You are a example for all of us being very enthusiastic and sportive. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Rupa and Surendra, it's a special wedding anniversary. It's a 50th golden wedding anniversary. Have a great year ahead and hope we'll all catch up after this all this pandemic is over. We'd like to meet personally and wish you. Take care. God bless.
Hi Rupa and Surendra. Happy silver anniversary. May the love you have for each other grow and blossom each year.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, आप जियो हजारों साल, यही हमारी आरज़ू.
Happy anniversary.
Rupa and Surendra, happy anniversary to you both.
బంగారు
పెండ్లి వార్షికోత్సవ
శుభాకాంక్షలు. చల్లగా ఉండండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా ఉంటారో అట్లే ఎప్పుడు హ్యాపీగా ఖుషీగా ఉండండి.
అన్యోన్యంగా ఉండండి.
ఎవర్ గ్రీన్ కపుల్ గా ఉండండి.
Hi Rupa, hi Surinder, wishing you both a very happy 50th wedding anniversary. Keep rocking and keep safe. Over to Chandru.
Hi Rupa and Surendra, many congratulations and best wishes on your 50th anniversary. Here's to the lovely, wonderful couple.
Hi Professor, happy marriage anniversary.
Hi Rupa. Hi Surendra. Wish you a happy wedding anniversary, both of you. Have a wonderful year. Very nice of you. Nice pair.
When we are going in the car on the way to Makar, I realized how well both of you have been coordinated, how much understanding you have. I hope we'll also be like you all one day. Have a good time. God bless you.
Hello Surendra and Rupa. Nice to hear that you're celebrating your 50th anniversary. If not for this COVID, you would have given us a big party. So let's hope you will do it when the situation improves. On the whole, many happy returns of the day. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.
Marriage is a lifelong melody sung by two hearts. And Rupa and Surendra, ever energetic, enthusiastic couple, 50th anniversary blessings with a health, wealth, happiness. God bless you everything and you create more beautiful memories hereafter. Thank you.
Hi Surendranath and Rupa. Wish you happy 50th wedding anniversary. Have a great one. May God bless you.
Happy anniversary Rupa and Surendranath. 50 years of togetherness is incredible. So stay happy, stay safe and be blessed as always.
Dear friends, we thank you for your accepting the invitation and coming to grace the celebrations of our 50th wedding anniversary. All of you spontaneously accepted and come here to share our happiness. We have enjoyed every moment of the proceedings and we thank you for your good wishes and blessings. Thank you.
I also join him in thanking you all for your lovely wishes, video wishes and your presence, joining us in the happiness of celebrating our golden anniversary. This is a memorable moment which I will cherish forever in my life. Thank you friends. Thank you.